NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 Super GPUs outstrip AMD's Radeon RX 7000 series in Germany DIY sales. 4080 Super most popular. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super sold the most among all RTX 40 Super GPUs at Germany's largest retailers. AMD's RX 7800 XT most popular in Radeon RX 7000 series. NVIDIA recently reported strong sales of its GeForce RTX 40 GPUs, especially the new Super GPU lineup. With its recent earning, the gaming segment reported its best ever revenue share, which is still just a fraction of the data center sales. But it is the opposite of AMD, which has seen its gaming revenue dwindle throughout 2024. And if you can see here, these are some of the leaks or the sold units from the AMD and from the NVIDIA side. RTX 4070 305 units sold. RTX 4070 Super 250 units sold. RX 7800 XT 235 units sold. RX 4070 Ti Super 200 units sold. 4060 Ti 150. RTX 4060 150. RX 7900 XT 130 units sold. And this is leaked from the TechQuickie. So coming to the total number of 1295 NVIDIA GeForce GPU were sold at Mindfactory, which mark a share of 56.55% and an average selling price of 690 euros versus 975 AMD units, marking a share of 42.58% and an average selling price of 506 euros. Only 20 Intel GPUs were sold, making a share of less than 1% and an average selling of 124 euros. And in terms of the revenue, NVIDIA have the higher ASP mounted to 64.33% of revenue, while AMD's got a revenue share of 35.49%. As for the most popular GPU, the model of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super came out on top with 305 units sold, followed by the 4070 Super with 250 units sold, and the third super card with the 4070 Ti Super sold 200 units. AMD RX 7800 XT took third place with 235 units sold, and RX 4060 Ti took fifth place with the same amount of the units sold as RTX 4060 at 150 pieces. The RTX 4090, being NVIDIA's flagship, only sold 30 units, while AMD flagship, the Radeon RX 7900 XTX, had 70 units sold. The AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT is indeed really good value, but owing to the strong RTX ecosystem, it looks like gamer and enthusiasts are moving towards green team, or even in markets such as Germany, which is very popular, positive towards AMD. The RTX 4080 Super being sold the most show that is a very disruptive ultra enthusiast solution that retailers for around 1000 euros, while the RX 7900 XTX with a pricing of around 950 euros. However, certain retailers are offering the RTX 4080 Super at 950 euros too, which makes it very attractive against the 7900 XT and 7900 XTX models. As you can see, NVIDIA's most sold GPUs are the top end parts, which are priced above 500 per euro 500, while AMD's most popular cards mostly around or under the range. AMD is transitioning its RDNA 4 lineup to attract mainstream audiences, as it has recently confirmed, and reason to do so is to gain more market share so that game developers can offer more optimization for its GPU, seeing that they have a large enough user base. NVIDIA, on the other hand, will stick to its gun with the Blackwell RTX 50 series starting with the heavyweight in the upcoming month, and those will followed by the mainstream parts that will tackle AMD's RDNA 4 GPUs. So it looks like next year is going to be heated battle, mostly in the mainstream high-end segment, with RTX 50, Intel Battle Mage and Radeon RX 8000 series, while NVIDIA dominates the enthusiast segment for the foreseeable future.